On Saturday, June 23rd, Macomb Township Parks and Recreation held its 19th annual Tons of Trucks event at Seneca Middle School. Thousands were in attendance for this free event and to see all sorts of vehicles up close. This continues to be the marquee event of the year for Parks and Rec.
This is a great event. We're very thankful that the weather has cooperated. It didn't look so promising early this morning, but this is a huge undertaking. Michelle and the staff do a great job. We have great support from the sponsors. We have great support from Chippewa Valley Schools. And as you can see, there's a lot of people, a ton of people at Tons of Trucks that are enjoying themselves, and it's just a great event. Kicks off our summer.
It's amazing. I think we're renaming Tons of Trucks to Tons of Fun. Weather's always an issue. We were kind of biting our nails like all morning, and then every year we just seem to be graced with good weather. So I think, honestly, no way to count the crowds, but I really think it's our biggest and best show ever.
This is a huge undertaking for Parks and Recreation, but well worth the effort.
How long does it take the department, from yourself all the way down, to just really prepare for something of this magnitude?
It doesn't really end. It's almost like it goes year round. You're looking at an event that started 19 years ago with about 10 vehicles. And I think she has 75, 78 vehicles this year. So it's something everybody looks forward to. We have a multitude of people that come up to me and tell me what a great event and what a great memory it is for their family. So it's something that we just think it kicks off the summer in a positive way.
People don't realize the community resources that do go into this. They want us to do it longer and so on, but there are so many volunteers that probably start their day at 6 a.m. They're loading up their rigs, driving across town. By the time they get here, set up, and they're putting in a good work day volunteering for us. So with our staff, we start in January sending out save the dates, and it's a lot of correspondence between our wonderful sponsors, our vehicle and entertainment vendors, and volunteers, the exhibitors, of course staffing from all of our volunteers. A lot of work, but it's worth every minute of it.
There are tons of sponsors on hand for this event, and it's a big benefit to them and for the residents.
Sponsors are very willingly to come back, so I know they love the opportunity to give back to the community and also meet, prospective customers along the way. So I feel like, again, I think I say this all the time, but it's such a win-win for everybody. When everybody just, gives a little bit, it makes something like this possible, and we couldn't be more grateful.
I think the sponsors realize it's a good thing. It's very positive, all the stuff that we do. Sponsors are very generous. I obviously don't want to name sponsors because there's so many of them, but again, you're going to get exposure to thousands of people. This is an event that will bring in 5,000 to 8,000 people today, so they're going to get a lot of positive advertisement for it.
Kids of all ages were excited to see different cars and trucks up close. But the event also offered plenty of other activities. There were bounce houses for the kids to play on, a dance party screen, and of course train rides for everyone. The Macomb Township Fire Department was a hit as kids were allowed to spray the hoses. And the Macomb County Sheriff's Department had several different units and vehicles on hand. All in all, it was a very successful event once again, and it kicks off what should be a fun summer.
We pride ourselves that we always have 10 free events. This year we actually have 11th for our 20th anniversary. We have our 5 concerts every Thursday starting on June 28th. We have Roscoe's Palooza at the Rec Center on Tuesdays. And then we end the summer with our movie Under the Stars. This year we're showing Coco, so we're hoping to have a great summer this year.
If you missed out on Tons of Trucks this year, we recommend you join the thousands that will be in attendance next year for the 20th anniversary of the event.
I would just encourage everybody to come out, give us a try, and they won't be sorry. I'm sure they'll be hooked and come back. We do see a lot of repeat faces, familiar faces, so we know they have fun and come back, and it's just getting the word out. If they don't have fun, we'll give them their money back. How's that?
You can find more information about Tons of Trucks and all of the upcoming events on the Parks and Recreation website, www.gomtpr.org. If you need to contact Parks and Recreation directly, call 586-992-2900. Enjoy some more sights from Tons of Trucks, and thanks for watching another edition of Spotlight Macomb.